Hello everyone, welcome to yet another tutorial. Today we are going to look at how to model and rig a lamp in Maya. So we'll build the lamp and then do rigging and create controls. So if you can look at this lamp, you can move the entire lamp, rotate it. You can scale the entire lamp so it can be big or small. There's a base control, so you can move the base. You can rotate it. There's a control for the hip, so you can move the lamp hip around, and then there's a I key control for the lamp to move around. And rotate. Okay, so we're going to look at how to create a lamp like this and create the rig in Maya. Alright, so as I always say, the first thing is to find a reference for your model. Alright, so I went to cartoon desk lamp, and there are many options. I like this one, so I based my design on this. You can see there's a curve here, but this was straight and I added a curve in the other direction here. So it's quite a simple lamp with a few basic objects. So let's get started. So I'll go to File, New, Scene, and we will start with a polysphere. Go to Face Mode and delete half of it. I have B, so I'll turn the B off. This will create our base. Object mode, we'll name it. Everything starts with a lamp, and the second name base. For the bottom, I will go to Edge, double click the edge and go to Modeling and say Mesh, fill hole, and then we'll go to Edit Mesh, Bevel, and we'll make this 0.2 and segments will be 3. Okay, so it has that softness, maybe 4 segments. Okay, and the base is done. So if you right click, go to assign new material, I'm going to use blend and edit, delete by type, history, blend material, the color is red. Alright, and then we will create a cylinder and go to channel box, cylinder, we will add a subdivisions of say 9 because it's going to bend. Radius will be say 0.1 and height will be say 3 perhaps. Then we need this object to have its pivot point here. So I'll just hit the V key and move it down. Oops, before that I will hit the insert key and then V key to move it down and then insert again. So the pivot point is at the base. So we'll move this up, and if you go to shading wireframe, the object is going to be slightly inside. Okay, and we will then go to deform nonlinear bend and we will bend it. Then 20 is enough for the bend. And 30, 25, I don't know, 25. edit, delete by type, history, and then pivot point is moved. So again, go to insert, V, and move it in the center. Insert again. So we'll move it, and this will be rotated. So say minus 20. Or minus 30. Okay, then we'll create a circle, move it here. Radius will be 0.4. Okay, and then we can use the V tool and make sure that shading wireframe V, it is snapped at the center. Alright, so we'll select this, Shift T, move it up. And then we will rotate it 180 degrees. Or rotate it 25 degrees. Move it why is that there? Insert, insert. Okay, so this will have assign existing material blend, make this blend color, name it red material. This one, assign new material Lambert, it will be blue material, blue color. Assign existing material, blue material. Alright, we got that done. And again, okay, using the V key, trying to align it in the middle because we want things done properly. Okay, so now this is our basic setup. Now we need to create this object. I'll again create a sphere. I'll model it here. So we'll go to face again, delete half of it. Okay, and then we'll go to vertex, click here, and we're going to hit the B key. Then if you hit the B key and drag it, it will give you the scaling. So you can scale this in one direction. Just going to find the right way to model this. Hide the beam and make this big. Okay, and then we can select this, hit the B key, B, and make it bigger, make it longer if you want. So you can spend some time modeling this object. The more time you spend, the better results you might get. You just have to pull the vertices to make it look right. Okay, so pretty much happy with what I got here. We can go to Edge. We double click this and go to Edit Mesh Bevel. Zoom there. Then make it 0.2. This can be 3. Okay, so it gets that smoothness. It can be bigger. Alright, so that is our basic lamp. Now you can go to Edit Mesh, Extrude. Extrude it out. So you get thickness. Then you can go to Mesh, Smooth. And one division is good enough. We don't want a very high poly object. So that is our lamp, and then we will move its pivot point again by hitting the V key, insert key, edit, delete by type, history, then connects here. Put a little inside because when we rotate these, we don't want the things to come out and then we get better rotations. Okay, assign existing material, red material. Alright, so now we will create the lamp same way we created this. So assign new material, blend, make it yellow. This is lamp. yellow material. Okay, and then if it's too yellow, you can reduce that yellowness. Okay, again the same way, vertex, we need the back of the lamp, then we need some I think that should be good enough, but if you want some other shape, you can increase the B key and then drag it out, and then it can be a little longer lamp. But if you see, we don't have too much area here, so better not to go too much. So this has a rotation of minus 45. So rotate this minus 45. Again, insert V, insert. So we put it in the right place. Then we can scale it, say 0.6. And that's your lamp. Okay, so we have all the elements of the lamp. So this is called lamp base. This is called lamp lower handle, lamp upper handle. I call this the lamp hip, lamp head, lamp bulb. Okay, so there's no history, everything is at 0. Modify freeze transformations for this. Select everything. Modify freeze transformation. Okay. Edit, delete by type, history. So history gone. Everything at 0. Everything has proper pivot points. All right. So that's our lamp, and I think these two are kind of too long for the lamp to look cute. I should have thought about that before, but now if I want to make it shorter, I think the only way is to go in the face, maybe delete these two, object mode, face, then I delete these two, object mode. So again, we'll have to go to get the middle vertex. I will just eyeball it. So insert, and it will be somewhere around here. Insert. This one has no problems. So this one will be here. Let me move this one. That one. So that looks little cute. Okay, with smaller. All right, then parenting. So this one will be parented to this P. So when you select this, the other thing moves. This will be parented to this P. We want this to be independent. We want this to be independent. All right. So that our parenting. Save. I didn't save the file. I'll name this lamp true. All right. Now we will create bones. So go to rigging, skeleton, create joint. So the joint will start at the base. Then there will be a joint here from where this arm will move. We'll have a joint here. We will have a joint here. And then we'll just end it here. Alright. So now we need to rename our joints. So I'll call the joint base. This is joint lower arm, joint upper arm, joint head, joint end. Alright, so now we need our IK handle. So we'll go to skeleton, create IK handle from this point to this point, and we get the IK handle. Alright, now what we need to do is we need to select this, shift select this joint and hit P. Okay, select this, shift select this and hit P. Select this, shift select this and hit P. P. So if you select this, this is rotating, select this, will not rotate this, select this is rotating, select this, on edit, unparent, so select this, select this, shift select this, P. Alright, so now basically you have to select the geometry, select the joint and then parent it. Alright, now we'll create control handles. So we'll create a circle, and then what we can do is we can select all these and then put it in a new layer, so you can hide that layer. Now this we will snap it here, Okay, and then this, shift this, shift this, and hit P. So when you select this, control handle, the lamp, and the IK modes with it. Okay, so this will be lamp head control. Alright, now we will create another one, and then we need to delete history for this. So we'll go to modify freeze transformation. I created this one. Scale it big. This will be lamp base control. Modify freeze transformation, and we will select the base joint. Shift select this and parent it. So this joint moves the base. Okay. So this will move the base. Okay. This moves the head. And now we need a pole vector. So, and then we need one main control. So I'll select this one, scale it big, and then I'll change the way it looks. So I'll select these, scale inside, and I'll select this and scale outside. Select these four. You can hide that one. Scale it back out. Object mode, edit, delete by type, history, modify, freeze transformation. This is our lamp main control. Okay, so lamp main control, lamp base control, and then we will create another one, last one here, move it up, again hide this, V, and center it. Why is this not hidden? Add selected. So we will align it, move it out, rotate it 90 degrees, and again I will do the same thing, control vertex, select these two, shift select these two, scale it in the middle. Object mode, edit, delete by type, history, modify, freeze transformations. Alright, so select this, shift select, we need to shift select the IK handle, and go to constraint, pole vector. Okay, so we need to select this, shift select this, and hit the P to parent, select this, shift select this, P to parent, select this, shift select this, P to parent, show joints, show IK handles, and now our rig is done. So this moves the whole thing, this moves this moves this, and then you can get rid of things that you don't need. So we don't need the scale. Right click, lock and hide selected. Rotate also we are not going to use here. So right click, lock and hide selected. This can be rotated if you want. This can be scaled if you want. This definitely will move. So we need all of these. This will move. This can rotate like this. I think this will not rotate like this. So you can just only get rid of, lock and hide that one. This everything will be visible. Okay. That is it. Save your work, and then this is ready for animation. So if you're done with this, see what kind of animation you can create and share it here in the chat box. Okay. Thank you very much. Bye bye.